Keith, we got to hear your moose call.
Oh, jeez. That's one of the few things I can't even make up on the spot.
Yeah, me either.
Amanda Hill, on the other hand.
She can do a moose call, you think? Yeah. It's crazy. I didn't realize, I mean, I knew it was competitive, but I didn't know it was like 70,000 to 4,000.
Yep.
That's crazy. So it really is truly a lottery.
Oh, yes.
Good luck. Beautiful today, guys. We were in the 60s, 70s, even some low 80s away from the coastline. We got to 82 in Parsonsfield earlier today. It's 82 in Conway, New Hampshire right now. Along the coast, well, you know how it goes. Onshore flow keeping us down into the low 60s, 50s into the mid-coast. It's 67 in Orono, but there is an ocean influence all the way just south of Bangor here, but overall just a really nice day. We have a round of showers and thunderstorms, thunder showers kind of, that are moving into the mountains right now into the Bethel area. You can see a couple of lightning strikes detected here. Potentially a little bit of small hail could fall with these two. I'm not overly concerned with it. They're moving into a pretty dry atmosphere, so that tends to limit things a little bit, but they're continuing to move east into Farmington and eventually probably clipping into Skowhegan if they can stay together. South of that, sunny, and it has been sunny most of the day. We had a bit of a cloudy morning as we anticipated, then we broke out and it's just been gorgeous since then. So we'll watch these thunderstorms, see if they can make it into Augusta and Bangor later this evening. After that, it's a pretty mild night. Temperatures generally in the 50s throughout the evening, and I think we have more cloud cover around tomorrow when compared to today. But it's still a decent day. Temperatures in the upper 60s, some low 70s, isolated showers, especially in the mountains in through western Maine. But I think quite a few of us stay dry, and we might be able to pop into the mid 70s in a place like Bangor, for example, to Waterville, up to about Millinocket. North of there is likely cooler with some showers rolling in. And then Thursday, same deal. We have some isolated showers around, but it's not a bad day. Upper 60s, a brief shot at 70 in there. And so this whole week has been shower chances, but overall, it's actually been pretty nice so far, right? Euro model showing us some hope for the weekend. We talked about how it could be a rainy weekend yesterday, but I said I wasn't sold on it, and the trend has gotten a lot drier, keeping us dry Saturday and Sunday. That being said, if it was tenuously rainy yesterday, it's tenuously nice today. So we'll keep an eye on it because that low is just right there, and it could still influence us if it shifts any farther north. But right now, we took the showers out of the forecast for the weekend, and I hope we can keep it that way. It is not quite as warm this weekend. Even if it stays dry, it is likely in the 60s and then 50s along the immediate coastline. And this is the time of the year, guys, where you see, you know, we do 2 7-day forecasts, and I change a lot more numbers between the two this time of the year than any other time of the year, where, you know, sometimes we're 7, 8 degrees cooler along the coastline. But still, upper 60s. We had a cool start to May, as you may have imagined, so we're trying to climb out of that hole a little bit.
Chugging along to summer.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.